like to say that was fun. I can't remember the last time I did an open cup. I think it might have been one of my marble pours, but wow. I had to come in just so we can talk about this. Wow. Okay. I told you about that obsidian, right? You guys see, you've got to check out my video so you can see how this paint reacts, and it doesn't matter what paint it's with, it's amazing. So the boatload of cells is fantastic for one. The details are down in the description. I did use Amsterdam titanium white, so that's what you saw. There was no Floetrol in any of my paints besides that. I had the small container of black, and that was the obsidian, and I kept adding that in at different times, and holy cow. Okay. First, the shimmer. All the metallics, and most of them were extreme sheen. And extreme sheen, or deco art period, is extremely, excuse the pun, shimmery. And this gives me a galactic feel for sure, especially with the gold and blue and the obsidian and the silver here. It's stunning, deep, mysterious background. I love all the different variations. And again, this is just another example that when you use different paints, all paints react differently, because I didn't have anything else in any of my paints and all of the cells are different. But all of the 3D ones that you see and the super really cool different ones are all the work of obsidian. So I love the whole thing. I'm going to try this again, but a little bit different. I often do an open cup and with a twist, which is basically what a disrupted open cup is. People just, you know, it's natural for artists to take something that already exists and then kind of just play with it and call it a different name, but that's essentially what it is. But I love this. And look at all that depth in there from the black and the obsidian, and then look at that variation. Okay, very different than these cells over here. And I love it. Oh, those are just amazing. There's so much color that just, it wants to just come up. Like, look at that. This looks like the craters on the moon. Again, this is a lot of obsidian over here. As I moved the cup around and did this, and look at the copper lightning, whatever you want to call it. But it's just gorgeous. And guys, the camera's not doing anything for this painting. This is my favorite section here. Of course, it's all the neutral metallics. We know that I am the metallic woman, and that is unreal. That combination, which I'm going to be doing again, just throwing in one color, putting in that obsidian with the aquamarine and the neutral metallics. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And if you clicked off before this, boy, did you ever miss out. Wow. It's just, I mean, you guys know, right? When I love something, you know I love it. And this is absolutely unreal. The effects and the lacing and the different cells. Look at this one. That is just incredible. It's just, there's so much in this piece, guys. And I could talk about it forever. Make sure you stay for the close-up and see this all in its entirety, because my gosh, guys, my gosh. So if you love it and you want to see me do some more open cups in these colors, let me know in the comments. And with that like button, I know it's easy just to watch tons of videos, as many of you guys do, and then click off. Maybe a lot of times just unintentional, but I'm saying it now. Hit subscribe. Thank you. Like it. Thank you. And leave a comment. Oh, look, What do we got here? Is that a little snake? Not sure. Anyways, guys, if you're still here, thank you. It's a much longer overview or close-up that I normally do, but look, I had to do it. This is just too amazing for me just to end the video and not like talk about it, and doing a narration just doesn't work the same. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one.